Today, Fratelli Cars are proud to present this Mercedes-Benz AMG GT, one of the most driver-focused cars AMG have ever produced. This 4-litre V8 BiTurbo has done just over 5,000 miles, and it's presented in showroom condition with one owner from new. Being the premium pack, this particular model boasts loads of extras, including AMG Door Sills, reversing camera, and the crisp audio supported by Burmester Surround Sound. And what makes it extra special is the Xpel PPF protection, aka the self-healing paintwork. If you're to cause any scratches on the film, all you have to do is introduce a little bit of heat and it should restore it in no time. And the good news doesn't stop there. And the previous owner of this car kept it in the garage for its entire life, and it was regularly maintained by a professional detailer. If you would like more information on the Mercedes-Benz AMG GT, then don't forget to head on over to fratellicars.com today.